Nakakabahala na ang paulit-ulit na antala sa proseso ng impeachment trial. Buwan na ang binibilang natin. Sobra-sobra na ang paghihintay ng mga Pilipino. Let us all hope this is the last delay. While I support my colleagues in our shared sense of urgency in passing important legislation in the last days of the 19th Congress, including the landmark anti-POGO bill, we cannot postpone our constitutional obligations any longer. Any further delays in commencing the trial against Vice President Duterte would violate the Constitution, which clearly states that the Senate must forthwith proceed with an impeachment trial. Hindi kapag ready na, hindi kapag convenient, kundi shall forthwith proceed. Huwag naman sana yang baliwalain. The Supreme Court has also previously ruled that the Senate is treated as a